Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's get started. Alright guys, so all you need to do, you're going to go to CapCut.com and it will get you over on this page. Now this is the main website of the CapCut, and you can see free professional desktop video editor. You just have to simply click on download for Windows, and after that you can simply download the installer from here. Now I basically have already downloaded the CapCut, where I'll show you. Alright, so here I have the installer. You just have to simply open it up. Just agree the terms of services and click on install now, and it will be installed in your computer. And here you can see we have our CapCut. You can import your video files and do an edit. So this is basically how you can download CapCut on your PC. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.